Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have a high paying, non phone work from home job lead for you today. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below if you want to get those applications in. And don't forget, sharing is always caring. So if you find this job lead or anything that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that it is helpful. And share with your friends and family so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life working from home, enjoying that work-life balance. Today we have the company The Skim, not to be confused with Kim Kardashian's Skims brand. This company is called The Skim. Now they are looking for a fact checker. This is a contract 1099 position. It is remote within the United States only, but they create articles, podcasts, and videos that power their website, newsletters, podcasts, social channels. They are always putting out content, and they are looking for somebody to fact check that content. They don't want to be putting out false information. So they are looking for somebody to support the Skim Money, Skim Well, Skim Parenting, and SEO editorial teams by fact checking editorial newsletter and web content to make sure it is correct. You'll respond quickly to requests from each team to turn around fact-checking projects within a few hours so that, of course, they can get their content published. You'll source reliable sources to fact-check every detail of an editorial piece, recommending factual changes and relying all sources with full confidence in their accuracy. So you'll be communicating professionally and efficiently with the writers and the editors about any changes that need to be made. Now, this position is going to require a bachelor degree. However, they do not say that it has to be in any certain field at all. So as long as you hold a bachelor degree, they're looking for someone who has 2 years experience in some kind of a fact-checking position or writing or editorial roles. Someone who has strong journalistic judgment and an eye for detail and fact-checking. They want somebody who is experienced in a fast-paced environment, and somebody who can be self-motivated and a team player. Now, if you have those qualities, they are paying anywhere from $30 to $35 an hour for this position. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for things to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.